Want to use AI for verbal and non-verbal communication excellence, but don't know what to do and how? Take a look at this course called AI for Verbal and Non-Verbal Communication Excellence, where you will not only learn about AI for verbal and non-verbal communication excellence in depth, interactively with a lot of examples and case studies, but also learn about, over the case studies that you see here in the second point and the building blocks that you can use to build excellence in verbal and non-verbal communication. And you can also attend the video sessions to clear your doubts on this topic anytime and get Udemy Study Days money back guarantee. Preview for yourself many lectures covering each section for free. And if you like the content, enroll for the course, enjoy, and start using AI for verbal and non-verbal communications and get to the top of the world.